Ever feel like your anxiety is running the show? You're not alone. Anxiety can make you feel like you're constantly playing catch-up, trying to manage everything all at once. But here's the good news. Taking care of yourself, real, intentional self-care, can help. In today's video, we're going to explore why self-care is such a powerful tool for managing anxiety and how simple habits can make a big difference in finding peace and balance. So let's take a deep breath and get started. 1. Why self-care is crucial for anxiety relief. When we hear the term self-care, many of us think of bubble baths, spa days, or relaxing vacations. While those things are nice, real self-care goes much deeper. It's about taking the time to nourish your mind and body in ways that help reduce stress and anxiety. Self-care allows you to recharge, regain perspective, and manage life's challenges with more ease. It reduces stress. Self-care helps lower the overall level of stress that you carry. When you make time to take care of yourself, you're better equipped to handle stressful situations without feeling overwhelmed. It boosts resilience. Regular self-care builds emotional resilience, making you less susceptible to anxiety. It helps you bounce back from difficult experiences more quickly and with more clarity. It enhances mental clarity. Anxiety often clouds our thinking, making it hard to focus or make decisions. Self-care, especially when it includes mindfulness and relaxation techniques, helps clear mental clutter so you can approach challenges with a calmer mind. 2. Different types of self-care. Self-care isn't just about physical health. It also includes emotional, mental, and even spiritual care. Each type of self-care plays a role in reducing anxiety. Let's explore some of the key types of self-care that are particularly helpful in dealing with anxiety. Physical self-care. Taking care of your body can directly influence how you feel mentally and emotionally. Regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and eating nourishing foods can help reduce anxiety symptoms. Physical movement, in particular, releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers. Emotional self-care. This involves understanding and managing your emotions. Journaling, talking to a friend, or practicing self-compassion are all forms of emotional self-care. When you take the time to process your feelings rather than bottling them up, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed by anxiety. Mental self-care. Keeping your mind sharp and engaged is also a form of self-care. Reading, learning new skills, and engaging in activities that stimulate your brain can help distract you from anxious thoughts and promote a sense of accomplishment. Spiritual self-care, whether it's through meditation, prayer, or connecting with nature, spiritual self-care helps you feel grounded and connected to something larger than yourself. It can provide a sense of peace and purpose, which helps in managing anxiety. 3. Daily self-care habits to reduce anxiety. Incorporating self-care into your daily routine doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. In fact, the most effective forms of self-care are often simple and easy to integrate into your day-to-day life. Let's look at some daily habits you can start practicing right away to help ease anxiety. Mindful breathing. One of the quickest and most effective ways to calm anxiety is through mindful breathing. When you feel anxiety creeping in, take a few moments to focus on your breath. Inhale slowly for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Repeat this process several times to help bring your nervous system back into balance. Daily movement. Whether it's a 10-minute walk, a yoga session, or a full workout, moving your body daily helps burn off excess adrenaline and reduces anxiety. Even short bursts of physical activity can release tension and improve your mood. Set boundaries. Learning to say no when needed is a crucial part of self-care. Overcommitting can lead to stress and burnout, so it's important to set healthy boundaries around your time and energy. Protecting your personal time allows you to recharge and prevents anxiety from building up. Create a morning routine. How you start your day can set the tone for how you handle stress. Create a simple, calming morning routine that helps you ease into your day. This could include a few minutes of meditation, stretching, or enjoying a quiet cup of coffee. Disconnect from technology. Constant notifications, emails, and social media can increase anxiety. Make it a habit to disconnect from technology for at least 30 minutes a day. Use that time to be present with yourself, whether that's by reading, journaling, or spending time in nature. 4. Self-compassion as a form of self-care. A lot of people think self-care is about treating yourself, but sometimes it's about how you talk to yourself. Anxiety can often lead to self-criticism or negative self-talk. Practicing self-compassion, being kind to yourself during stressful times, is a powerful way to ease anxiety. Talk to yourself like a friend. Imagine how you would talk to a close friend who is going through a tough time. You probably offer words of encouragement and support, right? Try applying that same kindness to yourself when anxiety hits. Forgive yourself for mistakes. Anxiety often comes with a fear of failure or a tendency to dwell on mistakes. Self-compassion means forgiving yourself when things don't go perfectly and reminding yourself that it's okay to not have everything figured out. Celebrate small wins. Instead of focusing on what's going wrong, celebrate the small victories. Did you take a few minutes for deep breathing today? That's a win. Did you take a walk even when you didn't feel like it? That's another win. Recognizing these small accomplishments helps build a positive mindset, which can reduce anxiety over time. 5. Self-care and social interactions. Sometimes our social interactions can either help or harm our anxiety levels. Practicing self-care also means being mindful of the relationships and social situations that either drain or energize you. Surround yourself with supportive people. One of the most important forms of self-care is building a support network of people who understand and respect your needs. Whether it's family, friends, or a support group, surrounding yourself with positive, understanding people can greatly reduce anxiety. Limit time with negative influences. On the flip side, it's equally important to limit interactions with people who increase your anxiety. Setting boundaries with toxic or unsupportive individuals is a key part of self-care. It's okay to say no to spending time with people who don't respect your well-being. Ask for help when needed. Self-care doesn't mean doing everything on your own. Sometimes, taking care of yourself means reaching out for help. Whether it's talking to a therapist, confiding in a friend, or joining an online support group, asking for help when you need it is a sign of strength, not weakness. 6. Long-term self-care strategies for managing anxiety. In addition to daily habits, there are long-term strategies you can use to manage anxiety. These are practices that take a bit more time and effort, but offer lasting benefits for your mental and emotional well-being. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation helps you stay grounded in the present moment, reducing the tendency to get caught up in anxious thoughts about the future. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase as you get more comfortable with the practice. Create a sleep routine. Good sleep is crucial for managing anxiety. Establish a calming bedtime routine, avoid screens an hour before bed, and create a sleep environment that promotes rest. Prioritizing quality sleep helps reduce anxiety and improves overall mental health. Engage in creative outlets. Whether it's painting, writing, playing music, or any other creative hobby, expressing yourself creatively can be a form of emotional self-care. Creative activities allow you to release emotions in a healthy way, which can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Develop a gratitude practice. Regularly practicing gratitude helps shift your focus away from what's going wrong and towards what's going right. Take a few moments each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Over time, this simple habit can help reduce anxiety and promote a more positive outlook. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for managing anxiety and living a balanced life. By incorporating daily self-care habits, practicing self-compassion, and creating healthy boundaries, you can start to feel more in control of your anxiety. Remember, self-care is a journey, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Every small step you take towards caring for yourself is a step towards greater peace and well-being. So which self-care habit will you try today? Let me know in the comments, and let's work together to make self-care a priority.